Max hot. Here we go. This is a big moment here that I've been waiting on for 4 years, since I've started this project 4 years ago, and I greatly appreciate it, and I want to say thank you to all of my viewers, my subscribers. It blows me away at the amount of people that has been following me on this project, and there's numerous of y'all that has helped me out so much over the past 4 years of working on this airplane and redoing it, and I've learned a whole lot about it. But anyways, I've got the engine is topped off with oil. We're going to put 5 gallons of avgas here in there in just a minute. I've got the brake fluid, all of that's topped off. So anyway, stay tuned, and we're going to pull this baby here out, and we're going to fire it off. All right, guys, we got the Cub out. We're gonna start it up for the first time since we've got the new engine on. Last time the engine ran was 3 years ago, whenever it was new on the test stand. But it's been turned over about every week, keeping everything there good and lubed up. So anyways, got Josh over there, he was flying the drone. Got old cousin Rex over here. He's gonna prop it off there for us. And the clear hose is temporary for right now, just to start it up. I still gotta make up the aluminum breather line hose. And the scat hose here, this is temporary. I got some black hose that I'm gonna use to put on everything else there. We just put this on here to check carb heat and all of that whenever we start her up. So first time there she's been outdoors with the engine and all on, and so anyways, we'll do this little walk around and fire her off.
Fuel on, switch off.
Fuel on, brakes on, switch off.
Make it hot right now and see what you do.
Hot.
Barely crack the throttle.
Throttle crack.
Be ready to come back on it.
Yep. I've been waiting to hear that baby run, son. Anyway, we got her all running, fired off, everything there ran great. Took a minute to get the lines there all primed up, and we brought the temperature there up to just a little bit over 100. Mags checked right, and the carb heat and all of that checked out good. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you hadn't subscribed, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell there, and we'll see you on the next video.